In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring Jobber Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a repeating job that stays organized, notifies your team, and saves you time scheduling the same work over and over. Start by logging into your Jobber account on your desktop. From the left sidebar, open the Jobs section, then select New Job to begin a fresh setup. Give the job a clear descriptive title so it's easy to find later. Think service type plus location or frequency for quick scanning. Next, choose the client this job is for. If the client already exists in your account, simply select them from the list. Then review the job number field. You can stick with Jobber's automatic numbering or enter a custom number that matches your internal system. Consistency here helps with reporting and invoicing. Look over the visits area. This section defines each service occurrence tied to the job. Keep your typical duration and notes tidy so your team understands what's expected every time they arrive on site. Now move to the schedule section. By default, jobs are one-off, but for this example, switch it to recurring. Pick a start date that matches when the service should begin. Set a start time if you want a specific arrival window, or choose any time if your team can be flexible that day. Choose how the job repeats. Select the frequency, such as weekly or monthly, and set the interval that fits your service cadence. Then define when the series should stop. Click Ends After and enter how many occurrences you want in this schedule. This gives you a clear endpoint for planning and billing. Before wrapping up, decide if you want to email the team about the assignment. Turning this on helps everyone stay aligned without extra back and forth. When everything looks good, click Save Job. Your recurring schedule is now active, and you can always return to the jobs list to adjust details as your workflow evolves.